Hello, welcome you all. Myself Deepmala Meena. In today's video, we will discuss about Galilean transformations. In previous video, we have learned about the inertial and non-inertial frames. Okay, let us start. We know that if the position of a point relative to one inertial frame is given, okay, then the equations by which the position of the same point can be determined is called Galilean transformation. And also Galilean transformations also called Newtonian transformations. Set of equations in classical physics that relate the space and time coordinates of two systems moving at a constant velocity relative to each other. Okay, and also Galilean transformations are used to transform a few physical quantities such as position coordinates, velocity, acceleration from one inertial frame to another frame of reference. To explain this Galilean transformation, we consider two frames of reference S and S dash, in which S dash is moving, or we can say S prime is moving with a constant velocity v in such a way that all the axes of frame S dash remain parallel with the axis of frame S during the motion. Means here we are taking two frames, one is S frame, this is frame S, and these are the x, y, z axis in frame S. We are taking another frame S dash, or we can say S prime. This is S prime. Okay, the O origin and O dash for this, or we can say O prime. Okay, so x dash, y dash and z dash, these are the axes in S dash frame. Here we are saying that frame S dash is moving with a constant velocity v in such a way that all the axes of frame S dash remain parallel. Here we can see that all axes are parallel to the frame of S. Okay, so let we have an event take place at point P. Let we are taking a point P here. We are taking a event at this point. This can be observed by two observers. Here we are taking two observers, O and O dash or O prime. O observer in frame S and O dash in frame S dash. Okay, so one observer present at point O and another is at O dash. Okay, let we have coordinate of point P or event P in frame S and S dash or S prime. Let we have x, y, z in frame S and x dash, y, z, z dash or x prime, y prime, z prime in the frame S prime. So we can write at t equals to 0, the origin O and O dash coincide at time. ठीक है, मतलब t बराबर 0 पे O व O dash एक ही जगह पर होते हैं एट एनी टाइम t, मतलब t समय के बाद में अगर हम कहें द पोजिशन वेक्टर ऑफ ओरिजिन O dash will be O dash, means at t equals to 0 the position vector is this O dash, or we can say this is Vt. Okay, and also the position vector of point P in frame S is R, and in S prime R dash or R prime. Okay, this is our explanation. Here we are having two frames, one is S, another is S prime. S prime is moving with constant velocity v. This is velocity v relative to S, and this is an event. So we are having here O dash, R and R dash. So we can write according to this that in triangle O dash P means this O dash and P. So here we can write according to the law of triangle R dash equals to R minus Vt. This is equation 1. This equation is called the Galilean transformation equation of position vector because R dash R, these are the position vectors. Okay. And in coordinate system we can write the Galilean transformation equations as in coordinate form. We can write x dash equals to x minus vxt, y dash equals to y minus vyt, z dash equals to z minus vzt. Here vx, vy and vz are the components of velocity along x, y, z direction. Okay. Now we will learn about the ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ वेलोसिटी. पहले हमने गैलीलियन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए लिया, पोजीशन वेक्टर के लिए लिया, अब हम लेंगे वेलोसिटी के लिए. ओके. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, बाय द इक्वेशन 1, और इक्वेशन 1 इज आर डैश इक्वल्स टू आर माइनस वी टी. दिस इज आवर पोजीशन कोऑर्डिनेट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इक्वेशन. ओके. So by this equation, Galilean transformation equation of position vector. So what we'll do, we will differentiate this equation r dash equals to r minus vt with respect to t time. Okay. Then what we get, d from this equation, dr dash dt equals to dr upon dt minus v because dt upon dt equals to 1. Or we can write this dr dash dt equals to v dash or v prime and dr upon dt equals to v minus v, where v and v dash are the velocities of the particle in frame S. This is the velocity of particle in frame S and this is the velocity of particle in frame S dash, and this is the velocity by which S prime is moving relative to S. Okay. So this is the transformation of velocity. Now we will take the transformation of here. Now we will take the transformation of acceleration. Okay. From the Galilean velocity transformation equation in previous section which we have done recently, is v dash equals to v minus v. For the transformation of acceleration, we will differentiate above equation with respect to t. So we can write dv dash upon dt equals to dv upon dt. This is, and when we will write dv upon dt, then this term will be 0 because this is constant. Okay. And the differentiation of constant value is always 0. Here we can say this is a dash, this is a acceleration of particle in frame S prime and acceleration of particle in frame S, and here we are seeing that a dash equals to a, means above equation is called Galilean acceleration transformations. It is clear that acceleration does not change. In other words, no force is acting on the particle in one inertial frame, then the force will also be 0 in another inertial frame. Hence, Newton's law of inertia remains valid in all reference frames. Okay, in next video we will discuss about the transformation of force. Thank you.